Welcome to GCLD Technologies, a solution to software testing professionals. Try to learn computer programming. Suppose if you have already knowledge on computer programming, already learned computer programming, try to improve your programming skills. Programming definitely enhance your IT career. See, importance of computer programming in the IT industry. First one, software development. Software development. Say in software development, programming is primary. The primary purpose of computer programming is software development. Okay, you may use, developers may use different programming languages to develop various software applications. Java programming, C++ programming, Python programming, Perl programming, COBOL programming, next .NET programming, etc. Say, programming is mandatory for software development. Programming primary purpose is software development. Next, come to our area, software testing. Software testing. Say, software testing can be done in two ways. One is traditional manual testing and automated testing. Automated testing or another name, test automation. Automated testing or test automation. Say manual test, software testing can be done in two ways, manual testing and automated testing. Suppose if you use only manual testing, then programming knowledge is not required for manual testing. In manual testing, reasoning, thinking, reasoning, understanding, analyzing, next documenting, next executing, next reporting. These are the important activities in manual testing. No programming is required for manual testing. If it is automated testing or test automation, especially for functional automated testing, if you use Selenium or EFT or Self-Text or RFT like tools, programming knowledge is mandatory. Programming knowledge is required for automated testing. So, programming importance is there in our area software testing. Next, third one, suppose database management. See, here I am discussing about importance of programming, software development, software testing. In database management also, programming role is there. SQL, structured query language. Next, extension of SQL, PLSQL in Oracle, procedure language. PLSQL in Oracle. Next, TSQL, transact SQL in MS SQL Server support programming. So for database management also, programming knowledge is required. Next, ERP packages. For ERP packages, see, for ERP development nowadays, SAP, PeopleSoft, Oracle apps like packages available. For ERP development, programming knowledge is not mandatory. When it comes to SAP, for SAP functional modules, no programming knowledge required. When it comes to technical modules, SAP technical modules, some programming knowledge is required. Next, PeopleSoft. For PeopleSoft administrator job role, no programming knowledge is required, but for PeopleSoft developer, package developer, programming knowledge is required. Next area, big data or data science. Big data means huge data. In this big data you can find structured, semi-structured and unstructured data. For big data processing, big data analysis, some programming knowledge is required, some programming concepts required. Suppose for big data we may use Hadoop like tools. In Hadoop like tools also some programming is required. So for data science or big data processing, programming knowledge is required. Not much like software development. Next, suppose this one, RPA, robotic process automation. Actually, for robotic process automation, programming knowledge is not required. Robotic process automation tools, Blue Prism, Automation Anywhere, UiPath like tools available for automating web-based administration tasks like data entry, screen scraping, image uploading, etc. Say, for robotic process automation, we have some tools like Blue Prism, UiPath, Automation Anywhere, etc. No programming knowledge is required, but in that tools also some innerly some programming concepts are there. Say, we use variables in robotic process automation for storing data. We read external files. We write some external files. Next, control flow. We may decide control flow in our robotic process tasks. Sometimes we use loops for repetitive execution. Suppose one task is there, clerical task, web-based clerical task. We want to repeat that task 10 times per day. For that we need to write loops. So in robotic process automation also some programming knowledge is required. Not direct coding, indirectly programming is used. Next, suppose AI and ML. AI and ML. AI stands for artificial intelligence, ML machine learning. For AI and ML also some programming required. Say nowadays AI and ML developers use Python, Java like programming languages. So, and one more thing, network administration, system administration, next network administration. Say you can find these terms: Unix administration, next Windows Server administration, next Solaris administration, Linux administration like job roles. Say in the IT industry also, software developers, one type of job role, software testers, next technical support people, tech support people, network administrators or system administrators. Say for network administration or system administration, programming knowledge is important. Say Unix administration, next Linux administration, Solaris administration, There also shell programming is there. Unix shell programming, Linux shell programming, Solaris shell programming. For programming tasks, your tasks, network tasks, you may write script. So for network administrators or system administrators like tech support people also, some programming knowledge is required. So try to learn programming. If you already learned that programming, try to improve your programming skill. It improves your career definitely.